Hi, my name is Daisy and I'm with Creative Ambitious Hustle. It's a new travel blog that's going to show you different places to eat, explore, and see, and I just want to share them with you guys, inspire you to get out there, travel more, and expand the way that you think, the way that you see the world in this time that we live in. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a couple of items that I need that are essential for traveling. First item is a collapsible water kettle, electric kettle, a coffee filter. I don't know how it works yet, but we'll see if I really like it, and collapsible mixer, which is actually pretty cool. It collapses to this like tiny little thing, so stay tuned. So that was the unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed. If you like the products, I'm gonna put links on my, I don't know, wherever I post this, so that you can find them. I got them on Amazon. I don't advertise for Amazon, but that's just where I like to shop, and these items work for me. I hope that they work for you. And just remember to get out there, travel more, and see the world. And I hope that you can follow me to be inspired to do that yourself. Okay?